guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora and आज बात करने जा रहे हैं हम प्रतीक ग्रुप की. Prateek Group is coming up with an ultra luxurious project in Sector 150 Noida. This is it. Prateek Group is not just creating landmarks, it's setting benchmarks. This is approximately 12 acres of luxury development we are talking about. It has 442 exclusive residences. Only 2 residences on each floor, making sure you have exclusivity, privacy, and what else does one want? They have options of 3 BHK and 4 BHK with servant quarters. 3 BHK apartment is 2800 to 2900 square feet approximately and has a servant quarter. 4 BHK is 3800 to 3900 square feet with a servant quarter. They also have limited signature penthouses, S plus 32 floors. The floor height for maximum floors is 11 feet, whereas for 30th, 31st and 32nd floor, it's 12 feet high. It's so commendable. They have 5 lifts for every 2 residences. These lifts have access control entry, which means 2 lifts open up directly into your residence. Apartments are designed to give you exclusivity, privacy, luxury feeling, literally everything that one could ask for. The imported marble flooring that they're doing, it's personally my favorite. Toto bathroom fittings. I think Toto bathroom fittings work really well. They give you that refined luxury experience. The best thing in my opinion, they have uninterrupted Yamuna River views from literally every residence. Why to invest in Sector 150 Noida? Because it's one of the lowest density places to live in this area. Green spaces, literally greenery everywhere, and there's not much population, pollution, nothing. It's all full of greenery and lowest density living. Planned infrastructure, open spaces, luxury living. I think that the quality of life that Prateek Group is trying to provide is one of the main reasons I would suggest you guys to invest here. Wide roads and thoughtfully planned urban developments. And its most sought after luxury address in NCR through 3 expressways. You are at a 20-minute distance from South Delhi. And I mean, South Delhi is Delhi's heart. 35 minutes of distance from IGI airport and 30-minute distance from the Noida International Airport, Jewar Airport. Proposed Yamuna Pushta corridor, the DND flyway to Yamuna Expressway through Sector 150 is expected to further enhance connectivity and reduce travel time. Today's investment does not depend upon the project. It depends on multiple factors: infrastructure, connectivity, what they have to offer, of course. But what else are they providing? Focusing on lifestyle that one should live, which is something that not much developers think about. This is one of the rarest land parcels. It has 360-degree openness and views. It has a wide-angled L-shaped layout, which is the reason you have a 360-degree openness. Thoughtfully planned layout, which focuses on privacy, exclusivity and openness and connectivity with nature, giving you endless horizon views and the cricket stadium visibility, the lush greens. I mean, they have an upcoming Prateek Group sports complex as well, which includes games like squash, pickleball, paddleball. I am just not thinking as a real estate consultant here, but as a buyer, where would I aspire to live? EOI, the expression of interest for this ultra luxury project by Prateek Group in Sector 150 Noida, will be updated very soon. Details about the EOI, the processing, the payment plan, launch, timelines, everything will be coming up very soon. Stay tuned for more updates. And that's it. I am signing off for this video. I hope you really like it. And please do your research about this project coming up in Sector 150 Noida by Prateek Group. And Prateek Group is just not, selling a real estate. They are selling your dream house. So definitely check it out. I will be coming up with more updates very soon. I'll see you around. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, share and subscribe. Much love.